Hello. In this video, we will discuss an important topic, constitutionalism. We will explore what it is, what principles it includes, and why it is so crucial for modern democratic states. Constitutionalism is the foundation of democratic governance and a guarantor of citizens' rights and freedoms. Let's delve into what lies behind this term. Constitutionalism is a political doctrine that asserts that the power of the state should be limited by a constitution. But what does this mean in practice? Constitutionalism, a system of ideas and principles aimed at ensuring the supremacy of the Constitution in the state. In simple terms, constitutionalism means that all state authorities and officials must act within the framework of established laws and norms enshrined in the Constitution. This prevents the abuse of power and protects citizens' rights. Historically, constitutionalism emerged in the 17th and 18th centuries. One of the key moments was the adoption of the Magna Carta in England in 1215. This document limited the king's power and laid the foundations for future constitutional systems. The U.S. Declaration of Independence in 1776 and the U.S. Constitution in 1787 were the next significant steps. These documents enshrine the principles of the separation of powers, the rule of law, and human rights, becoming models for many other countries. Key principles of constitutionalism: separation of powers. Power should be divided into legislative, executive, and judicial branches. This prevents the concentration of power in one set of hands and promotes a system of checks and balances. Rule of law and justice. Laws must be fair and applied equally to all citizens. Courts must be independent and protect citizens' rights. Human rights. The Constitution should protect fundamental rights and freedoms, such as freedom of speech, freedom of conscience, and the right to a fair trial. Supremacy of law. The law must be the main tool of governance in the state. No one, including the government, can be above the law. Many modern states adhere to the principles of constitutionalism. Let's look at a few examples. USA. The U.S. Constitution, adopted in 1787, became the foundation for democratic governance. It clearly outlines the rights and responsibilities of government bodies and citizens' rights. Germany. The Basic Law of Germany, established in 1949, enshrines the principles of democracy, human rights, and the rule of law. The Constitutional Court of Germany plays a key role in protecting these principles. India. The Constitution of India, enacted in 1950, is one of the most comprehensive in the world, covering a wide range of rights and freedoms, as well as mechanisms for controlling power. Constitutionalism is important for several reasons. Protection of citizens' rights and freedoms. Constitutions protect fundamental rights and freedoms, such as freedom of speech, the right to a fair trial, and the protection of private property. Prevention of power abuse. The separation of powers and the system of checks and balances prevent the concentration of power in one set of hands and ensure control over the actions of government bodies. Ensuring stability and predictability. Constitutions create a stable legal system that contributes to political and economic stability. Fostering civic culture. Constitutionalism promotes the development of civil society and political culture, where citizens understand and respect their rights and duties. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you now have a better understanding of what constitutionalism is and why it is important for each of us. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below the video. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss new episodes. See you next time.